Perfect. And as you know, also the network is getting really big. Today we have a lot of partners. What would you say makes Sodexis stand out in all this environment?
I think the biggest thing is that we were founded in 2006, always focused on that open source kind of culture. And then we've been specialized 100% in Odoo since 2012. So we have developers that have been working with us since 2010, like our director of development, Suganti, and she's been developing in Odoo since 2012. So she has more development experience in Odoo than maybe even a lot of the Odoo developers, since your development team has been growing so fast and your organization has been growing so fast. And so, yeah, I think just the amount of time that we've been in the software, the number of versions that we've seen, like our director of implementation based in the United States, Cecily, she's been using Odoo for the past 7 years, and she's touched every one of the last 7 versions. So I think once you have that kind of expertise in-house, and we really do put a huge emphasis on bringing real experts to our customer projects, we give our customers the opportunity to actually meet their business analyst before they sign any kind of contract. We'll bring them to a call. They'll get to meet them. They'll get to see what is the background of that person, what is their expertise, how can they help, and they'll be able to start building that relationship. We think that any good customer project is built on a relationship of trust and transparency and honesty, and that can only be done if you make those gestures and you introduce people early. So I think that's one of our big differentiating factors, is simply the fact that we've been around for a really long time. I mean, Fabien today during the second day keynote, he showed an amazing graph of the number of partners and how it's exploded over the last few years. And now I think there's more than 11,000 Odoo partners globally, which is absolutely incredible. But when you look at that graph, I think 2012 wasn't even listed on the graph, right? Like we started doing the Odoo implementations and the Odoo projects way back when it was, nobody was talking about thousands and thousands of partners or hundreds of thousands of customers as we know Odoo has today. And so we really do have that expertise in-house, both on the functional and on the technical side.
Okay.